Hey guys, and welcome to this episode of Kardesh Cycling. So what we're looking to do today is actually convert our clincher tyre setup into tubeless. We've got our Schwalbe Tubeless Easy kit ready to go. Over here we've got our bike. You don't need a bike stand. All we need now is a clean bike that we can work on. Let's get to it. So now that we've got our wheels looking relatively clean again, now we can actually start the removal of the old tyres and installations of the new ones. Out of the box, this is what we get. Schwalbe Pro One tubeless ready tyres. We've actually got our dock blue sealant, easy fits. It's sort of like using soapy water. Rim tape, our tubeless valves, instruction manual, and some tyre levers as well. Let's see if we can get this all fitted. Here's some old tyres. Get rid of the tubes. And one more. I do remember when I put these tyres first on, so these ones that are on here are actually the Victoria Rubino Pros, which you can sort of see there hopefully. They were very tight to get on, so what I'm going to have to do is remove these using the tyre levers. Now while the actual tyre's off, this is an opportune time to actually inspect your rim, just for any damage or anything like that at all. So that's exactly what I've done here. I've quickly just taken off the rim tape that was there previously. I'm just going to re-wrap that. And while I'm doing so, just seeing to make sure, because these are carbon wheels themselves, just going along, making sure there's no cracks, nicks, give it a nice thorough wipe down, and make sure it's all good to go for our new installation. So this is attempt number one, and actually seeing if we can inflate these. I'm going to run some of this easy tube stuff just around the rim again. Hopefully that might have some type of impact on it. So this is just a very standard end pump. Definitely hear some leakage. Just put the sealant in straight away. Hopefully that can actually cover up. There's our fault. So we did actually have it seated. Pretty confident now this is going to work, guys. So guys, it's been longer than I expected so far. I'm just about to put this dock blue liquid in. So it's actually 60 mils in there. They recommend 60 mils. I'm just going to put the whole thing in there, and we'll see how we go. Now let's give this another crack, guys. One of the cracks, another. some air leaking. Place this tyre over here. Put pressure in. Really shake it up, guys. Should help us get this seal. Now, I don't think it's the seal, guys, but I think it's the actual rim tape. Yeah, I think it's the actual rim tape, unfortunately. That's let us down in this instance. Gonna have to do the rim tape again. So the sun's almost setting. It's taken me basically a few hours to get this sorted. This is the aftermath. Finally, we have a front wheel and a back wheel over there that's sitting, ready to go. Yeah, it's been a challenge. The first time I tried to do the front wheel first, and I didn't have enough rim tape on there initially, so I had to go back and do that twice. But with that has actually come a few learnings, to say the least. I feel like, if you ask me the question, is it worth going to tubeless? Well, I plan to actually ride these tyres as well and actually see the longer term effects, and I'll be sharing that with you guys as well. But to say the least, it was an experience actually getting these done yourself. It's not impossible, but it actually, you know, the second time round, I found I was actually putting the tyre on a lot quicker, and actually learning how to operate a tubeless system much more efficiently. So all that's left now, pop the tyres back on the bike, and we should be good to go. The test will be until tomorrow morning, so hopefully if they are still pumped in the morning, we should be good to go, and there should be no issues there. So yep, I'm gonna now finally reassemble the bike. Epic fail. I just realized that I've put the front tire on the wrong rotation. Here we go again. I'll have to take this all apart and do it again. Jeez. You think you'd learn, you know? You think you'd learn. Anyway. At one stage, I couldn't get the tyre to bead, so I wasted 2 CO2 cartridges. You can see there, right there, I've actually used my my tools from my saddlebag and tried to get the tyre seated. Bit of sealant wasted on the floor here, you can see. I tried to salvage some more, put it into a container. You can see a container there. When I took it out of the first tyre and did it again, I sort of saved a bit there. But the saviour of the day today, guys, was this right here. Soap, water and a sponge. That, I found, was the key to actually getting these beaded in. And all that's left now is to get these bad boys back on the bike.